fish, nice. All right, I thought I'd try something new. The caddis bite sort of died off, and I think we're in the middle of getting some spruce moths to come. I can see them over here. So I put on a green bead-headed woolly bugger. I'm just swinging it through. But the cool thing is I'll show you the technique I was using to slow it down, because this is quite fast water. Let me deal with this fish first, and then we can talk tech. Move him over here into the slower water here, make it a little easier on both of us. I was hoping by switching over to a woolly bugger too, maybe see some bigger fish. That's the best trout of the day so far. I like it. All right, let's take a look at what technique I used to catch that great little rainbow trout. This is a significantly fast piece of the river, and some people may go by it. I put a woolly bugger on because we're right in between, the caddisfly and the spruce moth hatch. So I wanted to prospect and see if I could pull something out of this. But as I said, the water's quick. So if I was to just regularly swing it across, that fly in the speed of water would whip right across the river, and it would fly by fish, and chances are they might chase it, but they're probably gonna miss it. So what I'm doing is I'm casting 45 across, and I'm putting a big upstream mend in it and following the line down on a tight line. And as the S curves in the line, I'm redoing that upstream mend, and I'm pulling slowly on my own speed control that woolly bugger across all the current and all the seams within the river. That way, the fly is not ripping across, the fish get a chance to see it. You can even go left to complete the side of the river, and you've got more of a chance to have the fly in the strike zone of the fish. So, once again, 45 across, big upstream mend, follow it down on a tight line. As your S curve happens, another upstream mend. As it comes across, as the S forms, keep it going right across. Control your speed across the river, and you will present the fly in a slow enough manner that when these fish do eat, they've got a great chance of getting it hooked. It's a deadly technique. It works great. Oh, it's a nice one too. So when you're waiting for the hatches to change or for a hatch to go off, search. Use a search pattern, try to find out what they're eating, because they're not only eating bugs, they'll eat high protein meals. Another very nice rainbow, fun. And there's the fly. Just a bead-headed, green woolly bugger. Olive woolly bugger. A little bit of flash, crystal bugger. Does the trick. Whoa! Gone. Quick release. Didn't get to show them to you. That's the way it goes. Fish. Nice. Feels like a good one, too. Hopefully it's a brown. Staying down. Yes, it is a brown trout. Great. I didn't think we'd get a chance to dance with a brown today because of the high sun. But I managed to get one on the woolly bugger. This river's known for great brown trout and great rainbows. And I've been hoping that we could catch a brown trout out of here, and sure enough, here we go. And it hit, just a big thud, just a thud. Nice, so good. Come on in and take a look at this.